Let's start with some news you all expected but didn't want to hear. Tesla Roadster production to be commenced in 2022, confirms Elon Musk. The car all the electric car enthusiast describes to be a hardcore smackdown to gasoline cars will commence production only after 2021, that is 2022. Now I feel sad for all those who pre-ordered the car. Apple issued a new warning stating that we keep the new iPhone 6 inches away from your pacemaker. Sorry pacemaker users, why were you using an iPhone anyway? Try Android, they never put you down until they do. When Adobe shut down Flash, the Chinese railroad came to a halt for over 16 hours before a pirated copy restored operations. Never knew piracy could save a railway line, but hey, more reason to adopt piracy. Piracy is bad for the environment. This line was just used for comic effect. Please support original content and only use lines for everyday use. The first commercial 3D printed house in the US now on sale for $300,000. Apparently priced 50% below the cost of comparable homes in the area. I mean, why wouldn't they? You'll probably have to live with fear that the house might fly away if it's stormy outside. Musk's SpaceX violated its launch license in explosive Starship test, by The Verge. SpaceX's first high-altitude test flight in its Starship rocket, which exploded last month while attempting to land after an otherwise successful test launch, violated the terms of its Federal Aviation Administration test license, The Verge reported on Friday, citing sources. The Starship rocket destroyed in the accident was a 16-story tall prototype for the heavy-lift launch vehicle being developed by billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk's private space company to carry humans and 100 tons of cargo on future missions to the moon and Mars. AMD feels supply shortages will affect PS5, Xbox Series X and PC gaming until at least second half of 2021. Supply shortages for desktop CPUs, GPUs and gaming consoles are likely to continue up to second half of 2021, according to AMD CEO Dr. Lisa Su. Dr. Su expects gaming hardware and low-cost PCs to have supply issues while higher margin hardware is more likely to be available at retail. Man, the pandemic really hit hard for gamers this year. Anyway, thanks for watching guys and see you next week for more tech news.